So we are on to question 24, where we're asked to select the measures that could be the three side lengths of a right triangle. You also will notice that it says that we should click and drag the answers to the correct box. So it's not enough to just, like say this one, and this one, or something like that. You have to tell the testing grader people where the actual things go. If you look at the two legs of this triangle, you can't really tell which one's longer. So I imagine as long as you figure out which one doesn't go in these boxes, which one's your hypotenuse, you'd be fine. So we have we're trying to make a right triangle, and we have some possible side lengths. Pythagorean theorem says that if we take two side lengths, we'll do a squared plus b squared, and we'll get c squared, where c is the hypotenuse, this longest side. What I would recommend doing for this problem is you could just kind of guess through all of them and try this squared plus this squared and see if it gives you one of those. But I would recommend squaring all of these numbers just so you know what you're dealing with. I have a calculator off to the side. 17 squared is 289. 20 squared is 400. 21 squared is 441. And 29 squared is 841. We're trying to find the pair of numbers that has, and again, these are all my squares, so we're going to take two of these numbers and add them together and get a third number. And actually, upon inspection, it really looks like this grouping of numbers. 400 plus 441 gives us 841. So that's saying that 20 squared plus 21 squared is equal to 29 squared. Now you just have to put your information in the correct place. 29 is the largest number, so that has to go across from the right angle. That's my hypotenuse. And then it wouldn't matter if you do 21 here and 20 here, or if you do them in the opposite order. It would count both of those correct. And that's the problem.